All right, going this way. Let's go.
What? What's that? What's that bad?
What do you say?
Never approach wildlife.
Don't listen up, idiot.
Watch it be gas and just blows up. Takes out all the bison.
I think I got that on recording. Dang.
Let's go.
No, I don't. Animal on this planet. I can take down any animal. All I need is a spear and some balls.
And a gun.
And a gun, yeah, pretty much.
19.
Big old cottonwood.
Oh, nanny bench.
Nanny bench in the forest.
In the
Nanny
bushes.
bench.
In the bushes. So it's gonna take us like 4 days to
Yeah.
get back to Rogers. What a pump pad.
It was so oh my god. I suppose this trail takes a right.
I was waiting for Dad to say the hike is the entertainment.
Hope comes back this way and we go down and go back on the paved and end it there.
The night begins
Hey.
to shine.
No.
Poop. Yeah, you found poop. Good job.
More poop, Dad. Shut up. Back on. This is gonna.
Looks like we're going on top of that little mound of dirt over there. What do you guys think?
Hot.
It is pretty hot.
Nanny bench.
Well, you can see the trail going all the way back through there.
I hope I can see the tail.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, I should have brought water.
If there's nothing to climb on one of these trails.
What? Run around like that. Oh. What was that?
Decent view of the river. The boys are already down at the bottom.
Watch out, Dad.
Drop off. Hey, we actually get to see the river a little closer.
I did it. Look at all that diarrhea down there. I want to go jump in that water, though.
Yeah, pretty muddy.
Ow.
No buffalo in it though.
Ow.
All right, back to the paved part.
There was a buggy on me, Dad.
Nanny bench.
There was a buggy on me.
Yeah.
Your shirt off, Dad.
Yeah, Dad.
Big old cottonwoods.
Getting on the cotton. Miss.
No, I didn't. Sorry.
You would have made that sound the first time.
If I don't get a good like tan after this,
All right, back to our intersection.
I think they're done for.
Okay, we're back to that little shelter.
Yeah, that would take his phone. Is there any bug bites on my back, Dad?
All right, we are done. And there's the truck.